Welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Watch this video for 2 ideas on how to use gingerbread, royal icing and clear hard-boiled sweets to recreate these stunning showstopper centerpieces. Roll out the gingerbread to about 4 mm thick. The recipe for the gingerbread is in the description. Cut out 4 tapered rectangles for the sides. The gingerbread recipe in the description doesn't require any resting before baking. Once cut out, bake in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius, that's 330 Fahrenheit, for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges of the gingerbread begin to brown. For the glass effect, crush clear boiled sweets. You can now place the sides onto one baking tray and fill with the crushed clear boiled sweets. And bake in a preheated oven, this time at 120 degrees Celsius, that's 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for 15 minutes or until the boiled sweets have melted. For the royal icing, whip 2 egg whites until foamy. Then, gradually add in 500 grams of sifted icing sugar until peaks form. Now, for the fun part, pipe out elaborate designs with royal icing. When putting up the sides, use cans to help hold the sides in place. And now the assembly of the top of the lantern. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect. The royal icing will cover up any mistakes when decorating. Once again, an opportunity to get creative with some elaborate royal icing designs. To make the holly leaves and berries, bend 30 gauge wire, then roll out green flour paste. Cut out using a holly leaf cutter, and then create veins using a Dresden tool or a wooden skewer. Feed in the wire to the end of the leaves and press together, then leave on foam to dry. For the berries, roll out red flour paste. Then, using a Dresden tool or a wooden skewer, create a dent on one side of the berry. Insert a bent wire onto the other side of the dent and twist. The twisting of the bent wire helps anchor it into the soft flour paste. Once the holly and berries have dried, arrange together with florist tape. Finish off this beautiful creation by placing a battery-operated tea light inside and arranging the holly and berries. And there you have it, showstopper centerpiece number 1. For showstopper centerpiece number 2, roll out the gingerbread to about 4 mm thick. Then cut out rectangles for the sides. Cut out a rectangle in the middle, leaving about 2 centimeters as a border, and triangles for the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 165 degrees Celsius, 330 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the sides begin to brown. Fill the sides of the lantern with crushed clear boiled sweets. And bake, this time at 120 degrees Celsius, that's 250 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 15 minutes or until the boiled sweets have melted. When putting up the sides, use cans to help hold the sides in place. And for the fun part, getting creative and piping out elaborate designs using royal icing. You could use a little bowl to help support the top when sticking together. Finish off the beautiful centerpiece by placing in a battery-operated tea light candle. And there you have it. A stunning showstopper centerpiece that you could include the family in making. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video. See you next time.